Okay, ya chow yada se oni aje penny na ya shiamo. I would even some katra with regards to Ghana Premier League, and I yet some more. And I don't pay you ray. Na Yamidi Adoma, it's not a Sunday, match day, at Ghana Premier League, and for that matter, Asante Kotoko, game, Ejna Konwa, Wamo, NXC Medeama, and I did a better so no ancient Mukakra, a free more, I say, Yadema, Yenati for, but I could have stories upon stories, yebe justice to it na yede amawo mostly centering on Medeama and Kotoko game no na yama a little bit jiffy about other clubs ni nyinanso combo na yede amount on this episode and ra story be I shas here with regards to Asante Kotoko players acquisition and GFE players quota our more baba extending agada son komo bi no yebe no tofa e the amount quick one yen shas you say na yankwa ni mu tentem so live our GH Live Studio. Okay, inti yeko na yedin 7 nyina no ato ani mu ntentem so yen hyase nyamedi adoma Ghana Premier League shasa Asante Kotoko ene Medeama ena airball na yedim se Medeama abo league games ahodo duba kon awini mu nsia ama me no kasa de ene uhwemu a draw mako 9 ena wo mo atumi anya sanso ena ye can lose ba kon and I call Eddie Etiaomo as many as 15 goals and Oma share and I feel 6 goals and I share Etiaoma 1 more plus 9 goals of 22 points and so that one came to Kotoko so 9 games duba kwa ya boni nyina mu and I win num ya draw ba kon fachame ya draw num and I lose ba kon ya draw num and I lose ba kon 11 games 5.5 draw 1 loss and I told you 12 goals and I share and I actually 6 Etia Kotoko plus 6 goals 20 points one also any Medeama Sporting Club that I a friend is here or China one more etata so but I'm son on the info win to anyway Cratchy and Dean Eddie Agadas and so a player formerly no see a kind of Asante Kotoko and on come over Eddie Ato when him say Agadas Eka so be joining Kotoko last young can say registration but not proud and you went to me and register and farmer Kotoko Echo Tunisia Echo Koyen and 9 year Denoma Bibia I couldn't be a best bosom in Tamini dear said the idea to him that I know Asante Kotoko and I training kama ninano unim that I am when himself now fast forward the tier and it's Yenya Richmond Boadu Agadas one Kotoko Edin Komo Edru position Sesia de Ubiajin young Quandy say return in a rebuttal style ebeye juma but na pay we anum radio and say kan and it's on Kotoko I training na said ogusu no mo ye no the news is team baako wo Libya alpha yenua Richmond Boadu a contractor womo eno na edi nkomo asika 7 no e wo soro but yes to Agadas undecided say obey abandon and then come on Kotoko edi na wato atwena sa akọ Libya hobim anase ebia say ni say but the question are all guso edwendwen ho with an entourage and say or decided na bibia tumi akoso Kotoko so give you up said oguso ni omo training no any ade ade ni nyina no empanfo engage no and na me ne wo ka say nyame di adoma e after Medeama game no so stadium wa ba bi on besa chena shekona ho na engagement asa to aso a wo hwe one any Agadas ben any komodi ade atete and say Agadas anybody so beto aso the Asante Kotoko into news kakra aba ho and it's a Libyan club willing and I say we offer a contract the Agadas but no and ama adwen tanta kakra aba but for now still ano a positive the Kotoko we're willing to continue and I say beto aso the Asante Kotoko and no any day to just strikers ever join the Kotoko the okacho say abet amuasika no obi afa na say na nra me bo ho pentin kwade ma and tesa bibia Eddie the Dean Kotoko, enya bayra brajo, and obi Eddie aya, the Yaman be na media gimmicks kakra, and a to Jabadi, betimiaka, and a Kotoko, Tim Bia, and the Kotoko ka, a man recatcher crass simple, Tim never fabet, amuano, enya Kotoko player ba kwom be esabe fabium, na obito adiana unjiaka was aba ebetofro. Yes, kasabibu ni kasatome, and to be beer that danakwem, na says the canoe be, and a Kotoko, Edibefa, a player from Nigeria. And I feel so 2 strikers ever joining Asante Kotoko. And also Unima de air 2 and 10 times. And I'm saying Ghana Football Association. One more I crab say quarter of games I would do players are what me bono and pay for who be at the Roma, one engage you, almost so much me nema keka so nafi, one to me at me I stand in the kama nabi bia at me accord anymore. Yeah, the other stories ever to jar at the amount, but the uncle Trini Bram, our be a friend is Santikotoko training grounds. Now, last training of the day, and I said for the game ahead of Medeama Sporting Club, no, Yanimu details. Now, Yamfa and to a name, Coach Ibrahim Tankonso, Eddie Bia to Jan, na Iberamo, Medeama, so one player who do be no a prepare. Game, almost so 8 million, NCI Kaima Santikotoko, Emmanuel Menya, Nanaba Kwame Gracious, Naba in church, I'll be able Nanaba, what mute who until on mute na enkasa. Okay, too bad. Nanaba enteminka enti sa ena esitia yebesa akobiom na yato aso akoyanim na the free mobile nyina no ye ama in for live. Ewo GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno na enyama ewe konim diesu. Nanaba
Boss player, na me too gapa. Na want to minka.
na wa mute ho enti na me te onka enye yi.
Okay. Me be aboko. See we yoko.
All right. Enti enewa ko training grounds, wanya kakran so my hu yenim se Philip amo adjoining training. Hamza ta a enra yidi ne hu nkomo so adjoining training. Na enkomo be na aka kire ne dia tia kam ni nyina fa my.
Okay, boss player, probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ebakobo, Medeama Sporting Club, Nyamiya Duma Ochina. Game no 4 o'clock p.m. 4 o'clock p.m. Because this week, live matches ni no almost air 4 o'clock p.m. So any how to folk game no 4 o'clock and then Kotoko so much bit me 4 o'clock p.m. Or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. After a big defeat, probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ekunya against Tima. The edit Basike Holy Stars. Now, and during the training, and a coach Abdul Karim Zitu 80 and Komo. Now, Mami Fong Enra training mo and Sana Medwaba. Na yababe share nkɔmɔ coach Karim Zito edi esanso ana Ibrahim Tanko nso edi nkɔmɔ ana Karim Zito nso aka biribi ɛde afa Ibrahim Tanko ho na ɛna ekuduru adako judge no na players a mo ababe room ɛhwɛ ɛyɛ adwuma ɛde ma Kotoko enie goalkeeper ne din ɛde Benjamin Chum na ɔwɔ training grounds Mohammed Kamara Aziz Dari Harun 3 goalkeepers in Iram, Ebe train Eddie Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and so Ewo defenders now. You have granted it in edit Lord Amwa Patrick, a do say, or also a train Eddie Emma Kotoko, Samba with Neil, Zakaria, Fuseni, Francis Aqua, Joseph Amwa. Abrantia the team and so at the Emmanuel Corti now on also a training grounds or no a Juma Gidi Hopa. But Mami clarify this. Emfa Emma Kodoko, for any for Emmanuel Corte, or you training with the team, but on share this season, Kodoko training kit nibi. This season, training kit ha Kodoko use no Emmanuel Corte en shebi. Tibiako who Emmanuel Corte with training grounds. Now we knew now because a player be a wabba Kotoko team no Kotoko team no AU training because Yan Tiebe as the players be baba trials near day observations or say uhu ko player be our yeti adia born na and yet player be from no nearby Emmanuel Corti out on the team no a train or no you're injured but or recover our go so on the team no a train or so and now on also a training grounds and bibia and so come up baba yaya abrantia the din ede Hubert Jew a trainer so and abrantia the din and so at the agadas on cat team no one dear but on the team no also a training Richard Bodu Agadas also a train Lord Henry Listowell Lord Hilary Adabo so I go to continue Lord Yama Miensa your Lord Amo your Lord Adabo and your Lord Listowell also I'm more for us as you 2 or 3 amwa 2 anamo and so the Philip Amo good news say and oye training but me baba didn't come kakra and so Eddie Amamo and then more fin donzo abrante ne didi Peter Amidu akwa Kwame Poku Beye no training grounds a we training na abrante a didi Edi Johnson upon Usu and the youth players Mako 3 youth players Mako 3 yeka outfield players a omo mu gina pitch no so bobo no nye goalkeeper asem na America no Mako 3 and the joining club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko so a team no any one a train say boss what it to many man say a player I will be free you team ma can 2 players now or more a team more already no correct and you call any kuhu sa de no and so e wo hɔ a na bibia and so eye kama na eba Philip amon koma amedi air to wanim na and a Philip amon or your full training adeɛ bi a course one da kɔgya akyɛ hɔ nom from Emirika to among the starting warm up from the starting to the end of the whistle. Our coach Prince Yawusu Eboye Emma Timono ND omu training no Nina Abrante de Ede Philip Amo or she Jesse number 4 at the macro Kumasi Asante Kotoko left footed we one with him ye waba back boy kokona free I think say free new adubiase ebe wura Kotoko team no no ono ho asem ana ye canon and another good news a work team no and so and say abrante and the thing Eddie Joseph Abulo a started our also a training kakra and so ewa dakuja in the piano omo ebo basekeno within the warm up no and abrante na epic injury kakra and so ewa honoma ye hwe ni mu say eniema and so betimi akoso ye e de amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko yɛde mu update at the amount. Now, any room and before the training, coach Abdul Karim Zito and him ran tenant in Komo ahead of this game because players not bread and run ye dim Komo say Kotoko enya psychologist be obes psyche players no be dim Komo na abo wo mo man ye be or say be a family issue be mpo and as be hatim na ha players ni bia ombetimi ayi okay and the coach can Zito and the boys no edim come before the training e mo nyanti ase say game mo kwakobo no omfa defeat Basike Holy Stars and so share omo last game omo boy no omo fa ni nyina mfa nto akiri kra atwam omo ye dey omo san so nkobo game ni biem it was ra omo so di nyina beto nkyɛn na what this game omo kwakobo because this is going to be this because Kotoko Adriana was my difficult game. We can say Kotoko difficult gamer this season our Premier League anymore. And this is going to be another difficult gamer. Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so Kwakobo. The coach Abdul Karim Zito and him Rantino 18 Komo Echomo and Niema SSL Omoye and the trainer very tactical Omu Ebrem Kwambe Faswa Ombe creating more chances and Ombe scoring goals and na Baba Yaya Juma Yepa. Yadi Yashum Kakaya and say Abrantina Enya 3 yellow cards in the last 3 games. Wabo Oluki suspended maybe like this game ontimi NC akan fama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotokonti and train no ye no na more na enyina na su bebre na more na enyina na su bebre because mahu se payinfo na eya nyanti ase se game akotoko akobo no abrante na din di baba ya will be out of the game na game no and as training no na more na enso enyina no so a ohwa na omede ka reserve players omo ewo team no ho but na a good news say Philip Amo are returning eba be boost edi amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko pay how are you who near manager say obenya minutes some minutes not just some minutes edi amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko obu game on bebo against Medeama Sporting Club so ewo honum na ne enu udi nkomo kakra say and Richard Bodu Aganas about training yes Aganas about training and the oba na ohye top normally the top ohye the just top white na down black kama na wa gene socks white na wa gene the boot kama pa ono eba ono ade ne car about drive o ba da kuja achi wonum na one 19 na ba be etu no wi a na wasan so kwota ne cab na osan so eko ene oye training or kan team no ho e ma training o mu ye nyina no ono so eye bi wo ho a na eno so eye good news ohwe ne recovery na e wo so ye pa ahoɔden no e bank kakra and so say a band say Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko Fano, and with January transfer no Wababe added to the midfielder and also with my Nema Ebekuji because Wababe training with the team and on him how our team no and so she share almost style of playing coach adia on also and so Conti Agadas and stop with training but Ogusua on also training at the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Medeama.
Hamzata.
Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, I said maybe defenders me didn't free. Musa Hamzata. Ushe Kodoko. Baby our supporters the kind pa. Against baby any go stars. Na ye di ho enkomo no. I'm not I think say Sweden. Yes. Ekoye trials kakra. Enra ni ye di ho enkomo e channel ya so. Na ene Musa Hamzata back na the back na no ene training na course no boss so Musa Hamzata start game na ma nye nwanwa kami yure ya fi so Musa Hamzata start game na ma nye nwanwa because player ota epe abrante and din Samba Jose Bambulo abro enye fully fit key injury Ansu also had doom be also be red team no Ansu is injured and yehu Zakaria Fuseni Samba O'Neal oko training yenten hu omo so omo epe nti something difficult the two players no but yehu Hamzata obo against obo with Samba O'Neal our matches mu because after so obo baby any go stars no ball I think said 2 or 3 matches and San walk and we could see say and young one was with me match day squad no put possible but to start and ye hwe nyemam say abrante no betumi start
Kwari Poku so my hono video ya ye atu suimu say na hockey can training city
Kwari Poku boss me yen kind of credit Kwari Poku onye fully recovered sir
Kwame Poku Medeama game ni na ya story no full story
yes onye player onye fully say Kwame Poku ho atone pa and then me din komo bi baby and I was telling the person say Senka Kotoko strikers be a pair 2 maybe a 3 or 4 be and a Kwame Poku player I was thinking Kwame Poku can be a 5 minutes be no my team no can be a 5 minutes be no about my team no maybe a cabe 5 minutes Kotoko win a cabe a 5 minutes no then got the gaining in match fitness but because the Kotoko team these are 2 strikers pair akodea no aka ho ono nso apira John your friend say Jordan Misa ono nso apira ti aka 2 strikers Morifin don't amfa just the Kwame Poku na bebo but to share Kwame Poku training na because who ye from omo game omo kobo summer test ni training me who ye omo training ko yen was St. Senior High School and any training course no when you fully fit sir Kwame Poku nya other fully fit but as a near DB and near DB na Kwame Poku at the A20 boss player Kwame Poku training or you training pa
okay it is so far there double bia hoye obia player
yes
said the
if you are double this year player
Joe who come out to say Joe you okay or very okay
Joe you okay on say Kotoko team ni mu so far ni Joe ni yente say pre bi sheshe no ho oni adabo yes oni adabo abo matches pa me kai adabo ba Kotoko match a umo bia ye one start was against WAC ewo Morocco only WAC game no nko and adabo and start ye but boy no obetumi abo and fan was a league no obetumi abo all the matches
yeah okay yenhwe we so Medeama Sporting Club one player on that screen you see in fact coach na better so player na answer player aba better see Cratcher friend say Emmanuel Owusu oba mix game on Sunday due to injury. Emmanuel Owusu midfielder and our other screen so nyame boa Medeama Sporting Club player and also ebe mix game no nyame dia adom da kusada due to injury no the to job but okay midfielder Salim Adams and so now Osiaka
yes.
or maybe see a kind Edema FC Cincinnati ewo Ohio imported more no more in fact near Tam and returning back to Ghana and ka tuna brom nanka Ojani Asante Kotoko but enam media broha habi and then the managers about to home komo bi near the adibino and to Tam Salim Adams available or last game on boy no available for now at the Medeama against Asante Kotoko but the news is player that's Emmanuel Owusu and oye outer on to me NC a kind be now coach your friend say openyin yes
Ibrahim
Tanko Ibrahim yes and yes Ibrahim Tanko and they also ewo kakra edi tuja or we said here and they coach your friend say karam situ e kan ho nsem na o ma yesi nua yes o ma yesi nua pepe enti omoka nyame anim Ghana coaches no pe omo kan yi pa dia we omienu frima enye ye but yentie kakra nsema Ibrahim Tanko edi tuja ahead of this game.
I know against Kotoko. Yes, that is our goal. Yes, and that is our goal. And like you said, we are 8 games unbeaten now, but I know against Kotoko is going to be a very different game together. And they also have their first and lose, I think, against Holy Stars, Baseke Holy Stars. So definitely they are coming home and they are coming to play home. We are going away, but of course we want to keep our unbeaten records and if possible and to get the 3 points there.
Okay, and no, there already a 2 job, but any player Yusuf Mubarak, former Kotoko centre back, or Ash Golden Super, yentie former Kotoko player, or also Eba Bishia Kotoko, then Okan Yusuf Mubarak.
Oh yeah, the target you say if you go compare points and our points ewo Kumasi, and then like supporters need the amount the up free like almost expect win and a draw. It was a match way.
Okay, and now Yusuf Mubarak, Obekaya Kotoko, former centre back, formerly of Ashanti Gold, and I think so Ura Ibrahim, Anyas Tanko, and I Yokoten coach and any player, and I'm also added the Omo Eka Efa game no what to do. Okay, Nanaba, you wrap it up on your side there, not yen share. I chita for so a baho, Kotoko chita for a bar training grounds, last training, not to say.
Boss, supporters in the banner. I think last week, we did some supporters in the banner, our fem pie, our fem. When say supporters are the Kotoko Moho, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then more or share Adakuja Honor on the 2, and almost like I was so, and yet I did crime be say supporters not ever Adakuja. Say before the season, you know, na Kotoko a justification, yeah, you know, na supporters the TV room or honor, but and they who supporters get the and so ever hold now about Ibrahim Tanko Komoya na udi uniyedina Medeama Sporting Club started training from Monday na omo room kakra Wednesday no omo ebo MTNFA Cup with Rose Park Football Club, and then after the game, you know. Well, I went into almost PK 4-1 win as well. That was and the Wednesday na Kotoko a boy in the afternoon, almost in the evening, almost a ball game match fitness, and so about almost aside also ahead of this game, you know, a game I know watching. So we are expecting each and every one. I will Kotoko men can say or support Kotoko be also support Medeama. Just come to stadium. Young Poya Duma China at 4:00 p.m. Now, she gave me and so our supporters Nadia so be above a comforting itself come because this season you bought I think say week 12 and I come young say at the bunny bia zebia venue be ama ya bu supporter bi ya bu referee ya to niema bi anko opponent supporter ni ade away supporters yen TBB asa ti expect obi a say nyame yaduma about 2 o'clock dey na wurem our Baba Sports because team no 2 o'clock campaign wa 1 o'clock no aba because say 4 o'clock their team no meba 2 o'clock to team ne ba na what team dey somebody dey bi e share team ne kwan na aye kama so ho nti e expect obi a enso Baba Sports nyame yaduma echina more episode more information and so na hono echina better from so give anymore from the start to the end of the games no ebe ho adwuma e dey ma obi a WhatsApp line yes WhatsApp line 055 71 555 05 055 71 555 05 enkomo we bro why yentimi ndi no ewo but ayana dino online ya dia obetimi ajoin na bibia so etimi ayekama.
Okay, and yansha na yamfa we intro so na bebeda si yamfa unsi hwe na yerim said I had to focus on Vision FC ewo game but it doesn't look like
Yeah.
say one player Prince Kwabena Usuna or free bibia ni Ghost Stars two kind of saba no or remaining sideline or nam so guswa injured onsi akani binti Alfred Asamabu di uti ano ati ni ye uti me had to focus so mo player makoto Ababe Boka said the air no ono so NC akani bi goalkeeper Benjamin Asare Mose Ghana number 1 okay the 10 year and then so game omobebo no it doesn't look likely so no so ebetimi start agbesi ebetimi atoa so enam say the etete so no so injured no enchemu kakra todwa ewo mu ye twan ama Kotoko ne Medeama no atodwa eda kwesiada na nkurimdi bo na ko e ama krobia mapoma metema the Royal City Club enti Kumase na chichi ene benche Ghana ntwaso bia wo bia wote enka no bomade na popular stand 20 Ghana cedi center light 30 Ghana cedi VIP 70 Ghana cedi Kotoko tierem na efa chitai papa ema Pokopan Warriors na omonto asmo won tushiri enko yeneme tough game but definitely we need to rise to the occasion near to us we game na your episode about Andrews in team menu nidin da bia me ba me mfa amnima in team menu Andrews your episode I dey be ma about an injury you be summarizing in na Kwame Poku nso ehun komo kese da yanim pa eno nso ye wie Kotoko Medeama game na wadama ani die ne ho bra se kwan so dey be somo na on site to me account chefa Eddie Efrem mo afi Yusuf fair colored fullback kama pa no wono so crutch no komo Eddie ne ye bobo so na ye de ama no on so channel any hanti so and stay glue with that na ye mfan komo kakra ma ye be ra manhia himfie after Medeama game no there is a surprising package news all number regards to Asante Kotoko and then see the best what the box enti unia kraka so tikili da nya hwe enyina ye som na ama Asante mai ewie nkurim die so me the Derek Saint Kizito na ba Kwame Gracious ena otene kano
memfa me ho ntuni paso
otumfo onfa na ntuni paso
menyi nipa ni se no no betumi abo memfa me ho ntuni paso
otumfo onfa na ntuni paso
menyi nipa ni se no no betumi abo ame
onyi nipa ni se nipa na betumi abo ano
dise nyame nko a
tise onyankopon hata so nko ala
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?